So today we're taking the best of indoor entertainment and we're bringing it outside. This comes in from Sylvox. It's the 55-inch Deck Pro 2.0 outdoor TV with this ultra convenient rolling cart and powerful S2 waterproof soundbar. I mean, how crazy is this?
MrBlack.
And this isn't just a regular TV dragged onto the patio. The 1000 nits of brightness on display is a game changer. I mean, just even look right now. This sun is glaring down and you can see this image perfectly. It blasts through typical shade glare, giving you a beautiful crisp 4K picture that is just amazing to watch. And it is so simple to put this thing together. It's helpful with more than one person, but one person can do it, but it takes maybe like 10-15 minutes tops. On the back, you have your inserts like HDMI, antennas. We've had this thing set up for over a month now by the pool. This is Australia, by the way. It's summertime. Regardless of where you are, this is winter, this is fall, this is spring and summer. It's made for rain, it's made for sleet. It is made for outdoor environments, hot or cold, but it's perfect by the pool, watching the game, having some friends over, but you know, maybe not the Detroit Lions. But not just for poolside. If you have a deck or if you have a backyard where you want a TV like this would be great for that as well. Or if you're a business that thrives on having sports on the TV or any outdoor TVs, this is gonna be a great one for you. So if I took any other TV out here right now, you would not be able to see the picture. It'd just be a big sun glare. Anyone that comes over is like, whoa, there's something weird, because they're not used to seeing a TV look that good in this bright of light. And what makes this thing truly smart is the built-in Google TV platform. That means all of your favorite streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime, Disney+, they're all ready to go right out of the box. You can control it just with your voice or the waterproof remote as well. And of course, the whole unit is weather resistant. It's built like a tank to handle the elements, so no more panicking if that afternoon thunderstorm hits. Right now, it's 93 degrees Fahrenheit. And this thing has been on for over an hour. It's got really good cooling systems. It just knows its place. If you're closer to the ocean, and you're worried about salt air, salt like water, nope, it's fine. It's built to handle all of the elements. And it also does come with a cover. So if you did want to take a little bit of care with it, you could put this cover on there and that will help keep it out of the elements, and also a little side pouch for your remote. So you can mount this thing on the wall, that's fine. But if you don't have a specific spot, or maybe you just don't want it stationary on a certain spot, you can get this rolling TV stand. This thing is super versatile with a Y-type cart. It's designed for 43-inch to 55-inch TVs, and the entire structure feels incredibly robust and stable. You can easily roll the setup from the barbecue area to the pool, or tuck it away neatly when you're done. It does have brakes on the wheels so it won't roll around. And for me, I don't have a bunch of these TVs, so it's great to just roll up to the pool and then maybe roll into the backyard for doing a barbecue, or maybe it's movie night and a projector and screen are just a little bit too hard to put together. Maybe it's a bit windy for that. You know, maybe you're watching the game, or maybe you just have some ambient videos in the background, or a slideshow if you're having a party. There's a lot of uses for this thing. And one of the things I love is the soundbar. So the built-in speakers are good, but when you compare the two, you're just like very happy you have that soundbar. So now you went from having just ambient video to actually having like a Bluetooth sound system where you can play music through it, and it actually sounds like the perfect vibe for a party. Connectivity is simple. You just plug it in via ARC for seamless control with your TV remote. You can use Bluetooth 4.2 to stream music directly from your phone, or even just connect it to your TV that way. So it just hooks up right underneath your TV, and you can just leave it out there outside all the time. It's just a perfect sonic partner to complete your outdoor movie cinema experience. So the Sylvox TV with all of the accessories just proves that you don't have to have compromise on quality just because you're watching TV outside. It's bright, it's smart with Google TV, it's portable with the cart, and it sounds fantastic with the S2 soundbar. So if you're serious about taking your movie nights, game days, I mean, set up your game console to this or your Switch and do some Wii Sports outside. It'd be a lot of fun at parties. And I'd encourage you to go to the link in the description to see the most current and up-to-date price, especially at your currency. Sometimes they have some really good sales out, especially package deals. But when you're looking at the total value, you're investing in a system that's fully integrated, built to last outdoors. And if you look on the reviews, a lot of them are just praising that robust build and the crisp picture quality that makes the outdoor viewing experience genuinely enjoyable. But thank you so much for watching. I just really wanted to show you this TV, soundbar, and cart package. I think this is a really good combination. Although they do have that one that's built into the box that just rises up, which is really cool. Maybe that's the next step. Make sure you stay tuned to the next video. We're gonna be looking at the waterproof TV right here from Sylvox that floats. So you can have this one in the pool with you, which is pretty cool. If you wanna see some other smart home products that we've looked at, here's some videos on the screen. You can click one of these, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. I'm gonna jump in the pool now because it is really hot.